You should still be in the file Chapter 13 Panorama01.max. If you're not, go ahead and open the file from the Chapter 13 Datasets directory. We're going to look and see how to adjust the gamma correction in our scene for a linear workflow. In the rendering menu, navigate down to the Gamma LUT value option. The LUT portion is what's known as a lookup table, and this is used for feature animation in many cases to try and match a specific film look. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to use a linear workflow. First, you need to enable the gamma correction. Click in the checkbox that says Enable Gamma LUT Correction. And you want to make sure that everything is set to a gamma value of 2.2. That includes the display as well as the input gamma and output gamma. Input gamma affects bitmaps that come into the program, and output gamma affects images that are rendered from 3ds Max and get saved out. It's a good idea to have the gamma affect the color selector in the material editor as well. This will change the way your material editor looks, and the materials may seem a little unrealistic or unconvincing in the material editor sample slots. But if the entire production pipeline is on the same page when it comes to gamma correction, the workflow will then be as seamless as it possibly can be. This applies to the very first rendered image out of 3ds Max all the way through to the final delivered product. Go ahead and turn off the Enable Gamma option. We're not going to need it for the remainder of our lessons. It's really something that you need to look at in your particular production pipeline to see if it's something that's necessary for you to enable. There's also a lot more information about linear workflow if you go to the internet and search on the term linear workflow. You'll find a vast amount of information.